Hello everyone, welcome back to Meghan and Harry Tales, the channel where we bring clarity, truth and real talk to the noise surrounding the Duke and Duchess of Sussex. And today we've got a major development in Prince Harry's legal war against the British tabloids. One of the key players, the judge overseeing the costs in his Mirror Group case, has just stepped down. That's right. Senior costs judge Jason Rowley has removed himself from the case just as things were heating up. So what's going on? Why now? And what does this mean for Harry's battle to hold the press accountable? Let's break it down. Recently, Prince Harry's legal battle against powerful media giants took such a turn. Senior costs judge Jason Rowley, overseeing a crucial part of Harry's case, has stepped down. This move isn't a setback, but a testament to the system's commitment to fairness. Judges are the keystone of the courtroom. If their impartiality is questioned, the whole process is at risk. Judge Rowley's recusal is about preserving the integrity of the case. Justice must not only be done, but be seen to be done. Even the most senior figures are bound by this principle. Prince Harry's fight has always been about accountability, not revenge. This development is another chapter in his pursuit of fairness. The judge's withdrawal isn't an admission of wrongdoing, but a step to ensure the outcome is beyond reproach. The story continues with the foundations of justice firmly in place. What prompted Judge Rowley's decision? A subtle but important potential conflict. His own personal information appeared in evidence from a related case involving Mirror Group newspapers. He wasn't a claimant, but his details were among the documents. Even a faint link can cast doubt on a judge's impartiality. In law, even the smallest potential for bias is taken seriously. Judge Rowley recognized this and chose to recuse himself. This act, called recusal, is a safeguard for fairness. Like a referee stepping aside if their own child is playing, it's about protecting trust in the process. His decision was voluntary, made to uphold public confidence in the legal system. The UK judiciary holds itself to high standards, and this is proof. Recusal doesn't weaken the case, it strengthens it. The pursuit of justice remains careful and meticulous. Amid these developments, remember, Prince Harry has already won this battle. In December 2023, the High Court ruled in his favour against Mirror Group newspapers. The court found the media group guilty of unlawful practices, including phone hacking. Harry was awarded damages, a landmark moment for accountability. This wasn't just a personal win, but a stand against unethical journalism. The current proceedings are about legal costs. Who pays for the fight? Typically, the losing side covers much of the winner's legal fees. The judge's recusal doesn't change the outcome. Harry's victory stands. Now, it's about ensuring he isn't burdened with the costs of seeking justice. This principle keeps justice accessible, not just for the wealthy. By pursuing costs, Harry is paving the way for others to challenge powerful corporations. The mountain is climbed, now it's time to settle the accounts. The process continues, but the summit has already been reached. Judge Rowley's recusal highlights the gravity of this case. This isn't just another legal dispute, it's about the relationship between the press, the public, and power. Every step is handled with extreme diligence because the stakes are high. The legal system moves slowly, not out of inefficiency but out of necessity for fairness. A judge stepping aside is a recognition of the delicate balance in the courtroom. Even a hint of bias can undermine the process. This action, though it may delay things, ultimately strengthens justice. Prince Harry's victory has forced rare accountability on the media. The system is responding with caution and care, ensuring every detail is right. The delay is a sign of a system working as it should. The journey to a fair resolution continues, built on solid ground. With Judge Rowley's recusal, a new chapter begins. The next step, appointing a new judge to oversee the cost proceedings. This is standard, though it means a delay. The new judge must review the case's complex details before making decisions. This transition will extend the timeline, but justice values accuracy over speed. Prince Harry's team seeks a just outcome, not a rushed one. The goal remains: recovering the legal fees spent holding Mirror Group newspapers accountable. This is about restitution, not enrichment. The court affirmed Harry's right to fight. Now it must ensure he isn't penalised for his courage. The new judge inherits the responsibility to deliver a fair assessment. Justice is rarely a straight path. Delays and hurdles are part of the journey. Each step, even sideways, moves the case toward a fair conclusion. Prince Harry's resolve is undeterred. The pursuit of accountability continues. Beyond legal costs and procedures, this fight is about something bigger. Prince Harry's battle has always been a quest for truth and accountability. It's about challenging a powerful industry that used unlawful methods to invade his privacy. The financial aspect is secondary to the principle at stake. No one, however powerful, is above the law. Harry's case shattered the illusion of media impunity. By pursuing costs, he reinforces that victory and ensures real consequences for illegal behaviour. This is also a personal fight, to reclaim his story and protect his family's future. The court confirmed the press's actions were not just aggressive but illegal. Harry's perseverance draws a line for a more ethical press. The true prize is the principle privacy matters and the law protects it. This case resonates globally, speaking to the universal desire for fairness. As this drama unfolds, we witness a rare act of judicial conscience. Judge Rowley stepped aside, not for proven bias, but to protect the appearance of fairness. Justice must be pure, free from any hint of doubt. The legal tradition values not just actual impartiality, but the appearance of it. Public trust is the justice system's foundation. The judge's recusal preserves that trust. It's a quiet act of leadership, reinforcing the ideals Harry is fighting for: transparency and accountability. Principles of fairness are not just ideals, they're practiced here. This moment is a beacon of ethical clarity in a complex case. The journey may be longer, but it's in the name of unquestionable fairness. Was the judge right to step aside? That's a question for us all to consider. The hearing will now continue under a new judge. That means more prep time, possible delays, and more headlines from the usual suspects trying to spin the narrative. But here's what remains true. Prince Harry stood up, took them to court, and he won. Now he's asking that those who broke the law also pay the costs of justice. That's not extreme, that's not emotional, that's just fair. And every move, every delay, every recusal, it just shows how serious and how threatening his case is to the tabloid status quo.